Hey guys, 90% of people forget their Instagram password. If you're one of them, let me tell you how to reset your Instagram password for free. In this video, I would like to show you some tips and tricks as well as shortcuts that will help you get even more want to talk about the Instagram forget password tips responses. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. Now let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. We're going to do all of this in the Settings app itself. And search for password in the search section. After you search, you tap on the password option. Now go to the bottom of the page. Tap on Open Password, tap to continue again, and tap on the All option. Once you've scrolled down, you'll see the password for all the things you've saved here. For example, if you tap on Instagram, here if you tap on password, it will show you your Instagram password. You can change your Instagram password from this option below. Send this post to everyone. Follow my channel because it has a lot of tricks. So, unless that is an essential app that you use all the time and you really want, I would recommend finding the ones that are forgetting your Instagram password and then deleting them. I hope this helps. Again, if this helped you, that's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.